In this video, I will show you how to fix a suspended shop on Etsy. Open your Etsy account on your device and make sure you're logged in. Scroll down and click on Help Center. Type account suspension in the search bar and hit the search icon. Explore the questions related to your problem. Click on How to reinstate your suspended account and read the answers provided. If the answers don't help, click on No and then on Contact Support. Choose Selling on Etsy. Then, My account is suspended, and finally, file an appeal. Provide your legal full name and select the type of items you sell. Explain why you're appealing your account suspension and describe any actions you've taken to address it. Share how your business practices will change if you regain account access. Describe any extenuating circumstances that may have contributed to your suspension. Click on Submit Appeal. For example, you could write, "Hello, I opened my Etsy account this week and now it has been suspended. I will be selling digital products that I create completely myself. I read through Etsy's policies and terms of use and do not see anywhere that I have violated the terms of use. Thank you." Finally, click on Submit Appeal, and Etsy will work to resolve your issue. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.